Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good day to everyone, good evening to all my friends all over the world. Today, this is my first unboxing video. So I'm going to unbox my Christmas gift for myself. Yes, you heard it right, guys. I bought this as a Christmas gift for myself last Christmas. And it's been like how many? Like almost 2 months now. Am I right? Yeah, and I was so busy with a lot of stuff. So just for today, I'm gonna unbox this because I think I will need this these days. So this is a total one-stop tool station. It's an electric drill, 500 watts. Okay, so it has a variable speed. It says there. Forward and reverse rotation. What it says? Belt clip for convenient use. So it's 500 watts, 200 to 220 to 240 volts. I don't understand how it says here. It's 3,300 per minute. I don't know. Anyway, maximum 10 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. Ay, alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga pa na-gets ito, kaya I need some time to understand what it means to say. Anyway, let's unbox it. How to open it? Okay, it's here. The box is here. Oh, so it has this cable. Oh, you know, guys, when I bought, I didn't pay attention. I really wanted the one that is chargeable, the one that doesn't connect to the electricity when you're working. So I guess I'm gonna get another one. But well, I already bought this, so I might as well use this. Oh, my baby, I've been dying to have you, but I want something that doesn't connect to the electricity. The one that you will just work on after recharging it. So yeah. Well, I'm not so much in unboxing stuff, guys, but I just want to show you this gift of mine to myself. Yeah. So it says total. I hope that you will be very useful to me. Yeah, I don't know what it's in there. I don't see anything. So what's this? Okay. Well, I don't know. I have to study it. So as you see, it has these informations here. What it says here? Yeah. 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 megahertz, 500 watts. It's model 2019, no? 1 to 10 millimeter. That's all that it can do. It is made in China. Well, it's okay. It's nice. It's better than none, but I'm looking forward to buy the one that rechargeable. So I might as well use this as of now. And what's this? What is this? I have to ask the experts how to, I have a lot of friends that are carpenters, so I have to ask them how to use this. Okay, so that's how I will unbox this baby. Okay, so let's read this here a little bit. It's an electric drill, yeah, obviously. Well, better than none. It says here, double insulated for additional protection. Read instruction manual before using, of course. Wear safety glasses, hearing protection, and dust mask. Yes, it's very important. Okay. Okay, so here it says number 1. Where is number 1? I can see the number 1 here. There. That's the chalk. And then there's the switch lock button. Where is it? And there's the cable sleeve, and then the on and off switch, and then the variable speed control, forward reverse selector switch. Oh, this is nice. Not bad at all. I will not tell you how much I voted, but yeah, I voted for like a very good price as a gift to myself. Well, guys, that's just all for this. Okay. Here, maintenance and troubleshooting. In drilling steel, drill bits should always be used for drilling steel with a lower speed. Screw driving, use a low speed to drive in or remove screws. Pilot holes. When drilling large holes in tough material, we recommend drilling a small pilot hole. Okay, cool the motor. Number 4, if your power tool becomes too hot. Okay. Maintenance. Never use water or chemical cleaners to clean your power tool. Okay. Always store your power tool in a dry place. Yeah, so we call this now the power tool. Keep the motor ventilation slots clean. If you see some sparks flashing in the ventilation slots, this is normal and will not damage your power tool. Okay. Troubleshooting. If your drill will not operate, check the power at the mains. If the drill that is not drilling properly, check the drill bit for sharpness. Okay. If a fault cannot be reflected, return the drill to qualified repair personnel for service. Okay. Oh, so it says here there must be. What is this? I don't know. Whatever. Oh, now this is in Spanish. Colors. Finish. So I have this power tool. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck for this power tool. Good luck. Good luck.